styling a simple shirt dress in 9 stylish and versatile ways that can be worn by all. Starting with adding a wider belt, making sure that I'm stretching the fabric under the belt for clean polished pleats. Going with statement earrings matching bag with my belt. Can't go wrong with nude heels when in doubt. And you have a decent look that carries you through the day. And now this time, wearing a statement long neck piece, no earrings, white jeans under, gold accessories and heels to elevate the look. I like to keep couple of the end buttons open for flow and waist definition. And next for a night look, adding shiny pants. Folding the collars in for my neck piece, silver accessories to get the silver hue out from the pants. It's a glam but a soft glam look. And of course we can't go wrong with jeans, opting for a full length jeans for an elongated look, dress buttons open, adding jean heels, blue earrings and a tote that fit a casual day shopping meeting friends for a brunch kind of a look. And same concept but with jean shorts. Super cool look, staying in the same color tones, making casual look chicer. And now this is all about a different and edgy look with a mini skirt that goes right on top of your shirt dress where the ends of dress peek out. Continuing the leather on the heels and a bigger tote that gives a sassy look. I'm happy with how this look turned out, but do let me know your thoughts on this. Okay, let's get on with wider flowy pants. I've taken a narrower belt, shifted the buckle to the side, buttons open again to make the buckle visible, adding a different but cute style touch. And this look was inspired by an Instagram post which I was intrigued by, where you add your sports bra or crop tank on top of your dress but keep buttons all open. Might not be a look for all, but definitely worth trying. And last but not the least, adding a studded wraparound wide belt that takes the look to a great height. Doubling up the watches, just something that I've been enjoying lately. The look speaks for itself. And this is it, my friends. If you are still here, thank you so much for sticking around. It means a lot. Have a lovely week ahead and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.